Wow, I thought it was part of the acting when Will Smith slapped Chris Rock. Well, the Oscars wasn't getting a lot of views, but now you look around, you're getting millions and millions of views on this. And like I said, I thought it was part of the act, but when I look at a few videos, it was real. Check it out and look at it. Tell me what you think.
どうなんでしょうか。
Oh, wow. Wow. Will Smith just smacked the shit out of me. Wow, dude. Yeah. It was a G.I. Jane jump. I'm going to, okay? Okay. That was a greatest night in the history of television. So we are here to give a documentary out, to give an Oscar out.
Wow, he forgot he was giving the Oscar out. He's ready to make a documentary. But anyway, you guys leave comments and tell me what you think. This was, I know a lot of emotions is going on around the world. There's a lot of stuff happening and people are stepping outside of their character. But anyway, thanks for watching and subscribe to my channel and have a great day.